back. We have something cool for you today. What do we got?
That's right. So, as you saw in the last previous update, we were getting some parts in for the 5.3 build. So now, these parts are here. This is going to be our oil pump. We got the milling. What?
It was so Texas.
Yeah, that really was.
It caught me off guard when you did it, actually.
So we got the milling performance oil pump. And this one here has got 10% more pressure, so that should help us out a lot, keep things nice and oiled up.
Well, these aren't that exciting. These are lifter trays. They're plastic. Definitely recommend changing them out if you're already this far in. But this is the good bit here. This is what I think it is, right? Well, we should open it.
Yeah, I don't have my iPhone.
I'll grab one from upstairs real quick.
While he does that, let's move on real quick. Now, this right here, we're not quite sure if we're going to need this yet, so I'm actually going to save this for later until we go and look at the block, and we'll see if we actually need this or not.
Check this out. It's a shark with a laser beam on its head.
Sharks with freaking laser beams on its head.
It's a little harder to go.
Oh, right in the eye.
When you do it wrong. Nice.
Oh, man.
Oh, you can smell it.
Yeah, that's why I didn't open it in the room.
Well, let's keep,
I might open this in the garage. This
Yeah.
is pretty messy.
Okay, yeah, why don't you, let me get something. Well, I don't know. I've never gotten them like that before, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
It's like, are they fucking used or something?
It's from Overstock Direct. Straight from GM, just like a cam. If you guys haven't figured out what that was, those are lifters. We got LS7 lifters from Chevy Performance, and it looks like they come pre-soaked in some sort of oil. Yeah. So the next box that we got for the 5.3 build.
Oh, it's a timing set.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a bottom gear here, cam gear, bottom gear and cam gear, and a chain here. Cool.
The Mac Daddy of it all. The bazooka cannon.
Never seen one in a box like that before.
Yeah, same. This is a pretty cool way that they have it shipped here to us.
How do you open it?
It's crimped on both sides. Taste tips. And we got a little bit more movement on the nose of this thing now, so it's
Wow.
yeah.
Feels like the bottom of like a can.
Nice.
Comes in a bag.
Full bag.
Sounds like the ocean.
Nanotechnology. Armor protective packaging.
Wow, those are really fat loaves, more than I was expecting. Those are rounded, you know?
Yeah. Probably clean that off the touch up there.
Okay, so in case you were wondering, this is an LS9 camshaft.
Yeah.
It's a 3-bolt, straight from GM, and I think it's going to do well in our boost application. It's going to achieve the results we're after, and it's very reasonable. How much was this sucker?
This was $149 shipped on Summit Racing.
Should have a nice mild sound, so
Yeah.
they'll never see it coming.
No, but it should do well, like Ben said, in boost, and should get us right to our goal. And it'll also be good with the valve train components that we're going to be getting in here pretty shortly. So stay tuned for that.
That's another. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna go into it right now, anyways.
Yeah.
We don't use it. A big part of using this LS9 camshaft, a big benefit to it, is it gives us a lot of room to save money in the push rods, the valve springs, the whole rest of the valve train. Really spend a lot of money there real quick when you get into the big lifts, long duration aftermarket camshafts. So, and this is a lot of camshaft for not a lot of money, and it doesn't take a whole lot to support it.
We'd like to get a little bit more
We got a
parts
couple more things,
and then we're gonna go ahead and completely build out the short block. So keep an eye out for that. It'll be a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to having that done, because that means, oh, and we have narrowed down the car we're gonna use for about 3 cars. Two cars. It's pretty much 2 cars. So
unless something crazy happens, but
yeah.
I mean, we got a real,
unless something crazy happens. So 2 cars that we're looking at is 240SX and 350Z. Why? Because they're cheap, they're lightweight,
they're very cheap.
And on the 350 side, it already has the transmission that we've been planning to use all along, so it just makes it easier if it's already in the car.
Yeah.
On the 240 side, we've both been wanting an LS240 forever, so it just kind of makes sense. But yeah, thanks again for checking us out, and leave your comments below, and we'd like to know what you guys think about these parts and about the 2 cars. Maybe we'll have a poll.
Yeah,
See which
definitely.
car pulls more. So yeah, let us know which you guys want to see more, the 240 or the 350Z with this engine build, and we'll go from there. Thanks again. You guys have a good one.